Ball comes down to Roman. Roman banks one home. Keisha Biswowski off a ball screen from Krukman goes in for the layup, and we are all tied at 10. A shade under 9 minutes to go here in the half. Annie Shane to Rayberger. Rayberger for three. Got it down. Inbounds pass. Back to Torres down low. Torres, nice job getting that shot high off the backboard and in. As the women lead by 6 with 4:08 to go. Amani Davis for two, and it's a long two. Her toe is on the line.
Basketball coach Amanda Crockett. Vikings coming off a solid overtime victory, 63-60 over Carthage College this evening. Amanda, looking at the stat sheet, I know unfortunately you guys struggled a little bit at the free throw line, but I mean, what do you think was probably the biggest thing that led you guys to this victory tonight?
I think our defense really stepped up. Our guards played some really tough defense at the top of that 2-3 zone, and they're really flying around and closing out hard on shooters, and we got the stops that we needed down the stretch.
Talking about the free throw line performance, 12 of 26, not exactly what you were looking for, but just talk about what you guys were able to do at that aspect of the game.
Well, I like that we got to the free throw line, but I don't like that we shot 46%. To shoot 46% from the line and to still win, says something about our defense and how that really won the game for us.
Liz Rayberger did a nice job bouncing back after the game on Saturday. Comes back 7-12, finishes with a game high 22 points. Talk about what she was able to do.
She got some steals, in our press and in our zone, and she was able to. Defense created offense for her. She was able to get some easy layups off of that, and then that kind of got her going, and she was able to hit. So I think her defense really helped her out.
Guys going now and playing Augustana, hoping to avenge that loss on Saturday. What do you think is going to be the biggest thing you guys got to focus on these next 3 days in order to get that victory against Augustana?
Well, we need to defend. We need to play with urgency. We need to bring an edge.
Okay. All right. Thanks so much.
Thank you.